In this video, I'll show you how to distribute your Python program using CXFreeze. This program I made is just a baccarat simulator, and it just displays shoes on it. You can actually play a game. And the first thing you want to do is make sure it's installed. So you go to your command prompt and you type in pip install CXFreeze. Mine's already installed, so I don't have to do that. Okay, the next thing you want to do is create a file, a setup file with CXFreeze. And you can get that file off of the CXFreeze website. They have a starter file, and it'll look something like this. And so this is the one I created. And here you want to include all the imports that you need for your program. And here's where you want to include all your files that you'll need. This is an icon file, and this is a CSV file that you use with my program, and I have a baccarat.py file, a Python file, basically with all the, or some of the functions and methods. And if you want to include a whole folder, like I have cards with my baccarat program, and I put them all in this folder, so you will want to include those. This is what you need if you have a 32-bit version of Windows. Okay, in the setup thing here, you want to put your name of the program. Mine's Baccarat Simulator. You can put the version in here, and you could put either your website or your email in there to indicate who the author of the program was, and your description in here. Then build options here, which we created up above here earlier. You put those in there. And the executable, which is the file that you use, or the file of the program, the Python program. Then you want to include your icon. Casino, clubcasino.ico is my icon. And this shortcut here, shortcut directory desktop, I was hoping it would put a icon shortcut on my desktop, but it doesn't seem to work. And I don't know what it does, but if anybody knows, please comment. Okay, so then you save it, and I saved mine as cx_setup.py. So close that, and then you go back to your command prompt. And you have to get to the directory where your program is saved. And I saved mine in Python 35. And so you want to type Python, just Python, and cx_setup.py, and then you can build it. Type build, press enter. Then it'll go through that process. Shouldn't take too long. And then if you want one file that you can send somebody, you can type in Python cx_setup and then type bdist_msi. Hit enter. And that'll be saved on Python 35 under distribution. It'll be saved right there. And so what we can do from there is go to our Google Drive and move the file over there, or copy it over there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this file here, drag and drop it into my Google Drive, which is right here. And since I already have it on my computer, I'm not going to copy it again. Anyway, so once you do that, you can say right click on it and share it with somebody. You can share it with whoever you want. You just type their email address in there. And once you do that, you can save it, and then you're done with that, and they'll get an email where they can open their email and download the program from there. It'll be just one file. And if they're going to download it, it'll probably download it onto your downloads folder. So in your downloads folder, right here, mine is saved. It's called Baccarat right there. So you double click on it, and it'll bring up this setup window. So you just follow the prompts and install it. It'll be installed under File or Program Files, Baccarat Simulator, unless you change it. Okay, so let's see. Go to C, Program Files, and then Baccarat Simulator. And this is the file you want. It's the application. You can right click on it. You can send it to the desktop as a shortcut. You can pin it to start, or mine's pinned already to the taskbar, but if you want to print it to the taskbar, you can do that. And then from there, you're good to go. You can run the program on your computer, or your friend can have it on his computer. It's just that simple. Unless the guy has a virus on his machine, then you'll get an error. Because I've tried it on another machine and somehow there was a virus on it, or is it missing a DLL file? Anyways, please like and subscribe. I hope this is helpful. Until the next one. Bye.